Ladies and gentlemen, you are seeing us, and when you are seeing us in red, you know that the street has already been painted red. We are coming a little bit late today because there's been a lot of breaking news here in Rustenburg. We've been running around. So it's my name, Jabulani Sinyazo, and I'm with Maurice Leroux. We're going to be giving you news that is making headlines in and out of Rustenburg.
Yes, welcome as well from my side. Die eerste storie waarvan ek julle graag wil vertel is die Grow Your Business kompetisie wat deur Waterfall Mall aangebied word. Nou hulle is die groot naam agter die kompetisie, maar 'n hele klompie ander besighede in die dorp het saamgespan waarvan Rustenburg Herald een is. Kyk gerus op bladsy 4 na al die besonderhede. You can enter this competition and get help and assistance and support from leaders in the industry and in the business sector in town. Their first workshop and seminar takes place on 13 March. So as jy dalk jou besigheid wil inskryf, kyk gerus op die Facebookblad of op die web van die Waterfall Mall. Dit is 'n ongelooflike kompetisie wat regtig aan jong entrepreneurs groot deure kan oopmaak.
Especially with the problem of unemployment here in South Africa. Now we're moving to Mokwasi. We are everywhere. What I'm going to be talking about, because the newspaper is coming out on the 27th of February. But by the time that newspaper is out, maybe the people of Mokwasi wouldn't have seen this message. Now Moses Mokotane local municipality is inviting members of the community to a council meeting that's scheduled to take place this coming Friday at a council chamber in Mokwasi from 10 o'clock. The reason why they want you to come there is because they're going to be approving the adjusted budget for 2025 and 2026. The whole story is on page 2 of this week's edition.
And speaking about the budget, please keep an eye on our Facebook page, because the big news for today is obviously the national budget that has also been announced. In terms of spending money, the Pilansberg International Airport recently took off the ground again. This is a relaunch of this project that was halted in 2023. Nou, kom ons hoop hierdie keer gaan die vlerke wyd gesprei word en dan gaan regtig vliegtye begin vlieg. Nou natuurlik vir die Noordwes provinsie gaan hierdie hele projek toerisme skep van ongekende perke en natuurlik daarmee saam ook employment that is going to hopefully be gained by the locals. Read all about it on page 5. Thank you for the Minister of Public Works and local government that have taken hands to uplift and to grow our province and our infrastructure.
Natuurlik. Let's talk about making money. The police, they are asking you for assistance. And they're not just asking you for assistance. If you can assist them to crack a murder case that happened in April 2017, the details are on page 3. You can get 100,000 Rand reward. I mean it, 100,000 Rand reward. That's going to be on page 3 of this week's edition of the Rustenburg Herald.
So ons praat net geld hierdie week. Dan op bladsy 6 is daar 'n prys van oor die R10,000 werd. Ons is nog so aan die laaste doodsnikke van Valentynsmaand. So as jy dalk so 'n vinnige wegbreekkans saam met jou en jou geliefde wil wen, lees die besonderhede op bladsy 6. Dit is natuurlik by Sun City, net so om die hoek van ons. 'n Lekker wegbreek, ete ingesluit, natuurlik al die fasiliteite wat daarmee saamgaan, Valley of the Waves. Read all about this. The competition closes this coming Friday, 12 o'clock on the dot. So don't be late with your entries.
Okay, speaking about losing money, we've been talking about spending money and gaining money. SANRAL has announced an increase in toll tariffs that's going to be taking place on the 1st of March. That one is going to be 3.12% toll fee tariff increase. Please have a look at that. Don't get stuck on the road. Just know how much you're going to be paying if you're going to be using any of the toll gates affiliated to SANRAL. And on that note, we're going to say see you same time, same place next week.
Ons sien julle volgende week. Ons is reeds verwagtinge vir 'n propvol koerant, soos Jabulani sê na vandag se breaking news wat ons laat rondhardloop het. Ons sien julle dan.